Hi, this is I and Katie, and we're gonna sled down the stairs.
As you can see from the last video, we kind of got like a blizzard, so I'm gonna slide down the steps. Okay.
Ready, Em?
Hold on. I'm scared.
Did your butt hurt this time?
No, can I go one more time? That was really fun.
No, it's my turn.
Fine.
Take off your gloves.
It's gonna take forever to get
Take them off.
Fine. You don't know how fun that was.
Okay. Here we go. You're gonna throw this back up. Okay, or not. You know what?
Push it up as you walk. My hands are cold. Hurry up.
I am a
Hold him.
multitasker. I can do this. Help me!
Any day now, Kate.
Do you want me to die?
I fixed the steps and patted it down. Hurry up. Technical difficulties. Here we go.
I'm not going.
You better go.
I'm not freaking going.
Woo! I just sank ahead. I'm gonna come up there and push you if you don't go.
Don't. Please, I don't want to go.
She's a baby. You did it last time it snowed. Come on, if you want.
No.
Hold on to the sled, you. Hold on to the sled, you idiot. Come on. Come on.
It's so fast. Okay, no. No.
Then can I go again?
I want to say something, but it's a little inappropriate.
She's a baby. So you guys get to watch me go. Yeah. Do 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 do. Are you going? Kate, you're gonna kill yourself.
Jealous much.
I have to pat all of that back down. Bye bye.